Hello everybody, this is Dani Rolos from China Gadgets Reviews. Today in this video we'll have an audio test, a sound test of Dodocool DA150 speaker, DA150, this one. This is an amazing speaker from Dodocool. We have 4 audio sources to play music from, USB stick here, auxiliary audio in, micro SD card port here, and also we have Bluetooth connection. Okay, first of all let's turn it on, this one. First we'll play some music from Bluetooth sources, in my case my Android smartphone. Okay, let's pair the devices, connected. Okay, and now let's try it. Okay, very nice. Next, let's try music from micro SD card. This is an 128 GB micro SD card. Okay, let's do this. So this is okay, that's it. Thank you very much. The sound is just amazing. This is an amazing speaker to have, or to make it a gift for your friends or your family. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.